An IP address is a unique numerical identifier assigned to every device connected to the internet. When investigating suspicious online activity like hacking attempts, spam, or phishing, tracking the source IP address becomes crucial for cybersecurity professionals. Security professionals track suspicious IP addresses to identify potential threats such as unauthorized access attempts, spam campaigns, and phishing attacks. While we cannot pinpoint exact physical locations, we can gather valuable intelligence about the source. The ping command is our first tool for investigating an IP address. It sends small packets to test if the target is active and measures response time. Let's examine the ping command options and see how it works. Traceroute reveals the path data takes from your computer to the target IP address. It shows each router or hop along the way, helping us understand the network infrastructure and potential geographic routing of suspicious traffic. Online IP lookup services provide detailed information about IP addresses, including approximate geographic location, internet service provider, and organization details. Services like IPinfo.io and MaxMind offer both free and premium lookup capabilities. IP lookup services typically provide several key pieces of information: the approximate geographic location, including country, region, and city; the Internet Service Provider or ISP, the organization that owns the IP block; and sometimes additional details like connection type and threat intelligence data. It's crucial to understand that IP geolocation is not always precise and can be misleading. VPNs and proxy servers can mask the true location of users, making the IP appear to originate from a completely different country or region. The accuracy typically ranges from city level to country level and should never be considered as pinpoint location data. These tools provide valuable starting points for investigating suspicious IP addresses. While not perfect, combining ping tests, traceroute analysis, and IP lookup services gives security professionals important intelligence for threat assessment and incident response. When analyzing IP address data, the first step is interpreting the geographic and network information you've gathered. The location data can provide valuable context clues about potential threats. Geographic location analysis is crucial. If an IP address originates from a country with a high rate of cybercrime activity, this raises immediate red flags. However, remember that legitimate users also exist in these regions. Network analysis focuses on the Internet Service Provider. Hosting providers and data centers are commonly used for malicious activities, while residential ISPs typically indicate individual users. However, IP address tracking has significant limitations that security professionals must understand. These limitations can lead to false conclusions if not properly considered. One major limitation is IP spoofing and network manipulation. Attackers can forge IP addresses or manipulate network protocols to hide their true location and identity. Virtual private networks and proxy servers are commonly used to mask real IP addresses. These tools route traffic through different servers, making the apparent location completely different from the actual user location. Because of these limitations, IP address information should never be used in isolation. It must be combined with other evidence to build a complete picture of potential threats. Effective cybersecurity investigation requires correlating multiple data sources. Email headers, network logs, user behavior patterns, and system artifacts all contribute to a comprehensive analysis. Cybersecurity investigations must also consider important ethical and legal constraints. Privacy laws, data protection regulations, and professional ethics all govern how we can collect and use information. There are 5 major ethical issues that cybersecurity professionals must navigate: privacy intrusion, risk management, disinformation possibilities, transparency requirements, and compliance obligations. For serious cybercrime incidents, it's crucial to follow proper investigation procedures and involve appropriate authorities. Law enforcement and cybersecurity professionals have specialized tools and legal authority. The criminal investigation process follows a structured approach, from initial complaint through evidence collection to final reporting. This ensures proper handling of evidence and legal compliance. Remember that IP address tracking is just the beginning of cybersecurity investigation. Proper analysis requires understanding limitations, combining multiple evidence sources, respecting legal boundaries, and knowing when to seek professional help.